Here's everything that I cooked with my first harvest. I had lots of courgettes, onion, and garlic. Some of the courgettes I used up in this cottage cheese courgette wrap. Then the rest of the courgette I used up to make this creamy courgette pasta sauce. It's really creamy and flavorful, but it has no cream in it. With all the red onions, I made a quick pickled red onions, which comes really handy to add to salads. And the white onions, I made a big batch of caramelized onions. So, which recipe shall I share first?